In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your Instagram account public. So if you have a account that it's private on Instagram and you want to change it to a public account, this is what you have to do. The first thing you want to do is you want to go to Instagram, go to your profile, then hit the three lines at the top right, and then go all the way down to you see settings. You want to hit settings, and here are some options, and you want to go to privacy. So privacy is the third one over here. So you want to hit privacy. And as you can see, under connections, there is a tab that says account privacy. You want to change this from private. As you can see, private account is enabled. And if you want to make a public account, you want to disable this. So disable this, change privacy. You want to hit change. And now you successfully made your account public. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.
Bye.